What is up guys, in this video we'll be unboxing the Compaq 15-inch notebook. So let me show you the specifications and the model number. So this notebook is Compaq 15 notebook PC 15 S103-TX. Comes with a 4th generation Intel Core i3 processor, 4005U variant, 1 terabyte hard drive, 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is expandable up to 16 gigabytes, DVD writer, no operating system, so DOS based machine, 15.6 inch display, NVidia GE Force graphics. This is GT820M with 2 gigabytes of dedicated RAM and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and unbox this baby. Now I didn't specifically go for a gaming grade notebook because I already own a high-end gaming desktop with a GTX 780. So, but all in all, this notebook should run all the basic games. And by the way, this is just a old damaged USB drive. So, setup instructions. I don't think I need this. Yeah, I don't need this. Let's put that aside. The notebook itself, some documentation. So guys, here I have the notebook unpacked. Let's take a look at its physical dimensions. Like I said, a 15-inch notebook. In the front we have got a card reader. Yeah, there's it. There's the SD card reader. On the left hand side we've got a headphone cum microphone jack, your hard drive activity LED, your power LED, a USB port, Ethernet port, an HDMI out, and vents for the fan, power connector. On the back, now this is where the battery goes in. On the right hand side we've got another 2 USB ports, DVD writer, and this is how it looks from the front. Charcoal gray color. Flip it onto its back, and then this is all plastic, by the way, nothing fancy. Alright, so this is how the notebook looks on the inside. I still don't have the battery installed, so yeah, and it's got a glossy finish LCD, 15.6 inches. Everywhere there's plastic. So, but at this price point I won't expect anything fancy. This is plastic as well. Check out the keyboard. Let me press a few keys so you guys can hear the sound yourself. Yeah, the keyboard is okay, not the best. What I'm used to here is this type of a keyboard. So yeah, Intel Core i3, NVidia GE Force, your touchpad. Again, let me just close it. Yeah, it's difficult to get it open with one hand. Let me try. So yeah, and let's take a look at the box contents. I haven't gone through the box content yet. So guys, here's the rest of the box content. Your power connector, your AC adapter, the laptop battery, and some setup guides, some product documentation. We don't need these. So I'm gonna pop the battery in and install an operating system, and then I'll get back to you. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, do let me know, and I'll be more than happy to answer you all. So yeah. So guys, just for the fun of it, even though there is no operating system on it, let's just turn it on. I've just inserted the battery. So here we go. So FreeDOS documentation. It is doing something. But really there's no point in using it without Windows. Actually, the screen is pretty bright. Oh yeah, they're just the documents. And alright guys, let me just install the operating system, and then I'll get back to you. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more.